Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. Today's video will be an introduction to Java collections framework. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us understand what is a collection. And the one I am talking about is one with lowercase c and no s. So a collection is a group of objects contained in a single object. So basically your collection represents any data structure in which objects are stored and that can be iterated. Alright. Now let us look at the four main interfaces of your Java collections framework. So first we have list. So a list is an ordered collection of elements that allow duplicate entry. So your element in the list can be accessed by an integer index. Next we have set. So a set is similar to your list, only difference is that it does not allow duplicate entries. Then we have queue. So a queue is a collection that orders its element in a specific order for processing. So a typical queue processes its elements in FIFO order, but other orderings are possible. And finally we have map. So a map is a collection that maps keys to values, and we do not allow any duplicate keys. So an element in the map are key value pairs basically. Alright. And one final thing that you need to know about your collections framework is that your collection is the root interface for your list, queue and set interfaces. That is, your list, queue and set extends your collection interface, whereas map is an independent interface. Alright. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.